My son is really, really happy and finally can take a full smile.
I think Dr. Ting is one of the best dentist surgeons I've ever met in my life.
Hi, I'm David Ting. Here at Boston Dental Group, we enjoy taking care of your dental need with a personal touch. We treasure each unique opportunity to serve you, knowing that it can be life-changing. We don't take this opportunity lightly.
Dr. Ting is more of a people's person, and he made us feel really comfortable when he explained in detail all the process. So that gave us pretty much a goal to take a decision that it was easier to go with him than with anybody else. My son is really, really happy and finally can take a full smile.
So Fatima's son Amir, I've known the family for quite a while, and then I didn't see them for quite a while too. What we did is actually to instill confidence in this guy. You know, as a kid, he didn't have too much confidence without two teeth, his front teeth. And watching him by going through implant procedure, bone graft procedure, gum graft procedure, watching him going from someone who looks like this to walking out of the room like that, that was the biggest joy any healthcare professional can ever get.
Dr. Ting is very caring with all his patients, and I remember my son describing him as someone he would definitely trust.
In regards to his case, we had to utilize technology because of his lacking of bone. So we get a surgical guide fabricated from a 3D printer, merging with the CBCT image, the X-ray image that he has, to find the best position of the implants. We were spot on, and we didn't have to go through extensive traumatic surgery for his implant case.
I'd like to add that a lot of people take by granted the most important part of your face will be your smile. And very little did we know that once we did this and completed it, that it was going to have the results and the impact in my son's life the way it has. It's actually brought up his self-esteem a little bit more, and now you can see him up and down smiling everywhere. So that for me is very precious. So we're very thankful to Dr. Ting for that.
It was absolutely wonderful. Compared to other dentists, he goes all over the world and learns how to do these techniques. And he takes his time to explain to you what he's going to do and how he's going to do it. And to me, that's so much better than these other dentists do. And it makes it less scary, and you understand much better what he's going to do.
So Tina's case was quite a challenge. She gave us 3 goals to accomplish. Number 1 was her finance. Number 2 was her dental phobia. And number 3 was the ability to use her dental prosthesis and live life with it.
That's the biggest difference I noticed in him, was that the other dentists, if your mouth was real sore, they don't care. If they don't fit, they don't care. They'll just keep scraping on them and try to make them fit in your mouth. Dr. Ting's not like that. He wants them to be comfortable, he wants them to fit you, and he wants you to be happy.
What we did was we used a digital design, merging 3D X-ray images with facial scan, intraoral scan. We came up with a guide to place the implant in a very limited confined space. And we custom made the connector to make an angulated implant to fit a denture that needs to go straight up and down. As you can see, the end result is something that she's very happy about. So it is a transformation. Seeing that metamorphosis makes us so happy and make us realize that's why we do what we do.
I think he's one of the best ones I've ever been to. And I've been to a lot of dentists, trust me. Over the years, I've been to lots.
So people ask me what the best dental treatment is, what the best option is. I always tell them what's important to you, what you want is the best option for you. Dental treatment's never one size fits all. As a dental care professional, yes, we do have our training to treat patient, but it's also important to know, to feel this patient, know what's really, really inside their heart, what's driving them, what's preventing them from getting something that needs to be done, and ultimately following our brain and our heart to come up with something that's suitable for them, and therefore making a change in their life.